we decided to take a walk around, what's it called? Hourglass Lake, and look at Animator's hotel. And then it's called Animator's?
Art of Animation.
Art of Animation Hotel, excuse me. And then the other side of Pop Century. And so far it's been about 1.5 miles. But I think the lake itself is it a mile? I don't know. But anyway, ooh, there's a little bird went by. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's hot. It's humid, but it's crystal clear. There's a few little puffy clouds. And we're gonna go, I think, to Hollywood and just have a nice ease into the day kind of park day. Park hop to Epcot just to do a little quick walk around there, see if we missed anything, maybe pick up a snack. We already had a Ronto Wrap at Ronto Roasters for breakfast, but maybe we'll pick up a sandwich to take on the road home from France, from Les Halles. You're in Crush 204. It's not that far, the walk, but they do have a tram, so if you need that, that's really helpful. And I'm going to show you how far the walk is. There it is. There is the Epcot golf ball. So it's really pretty close. And if you do need the tram, you can see it's parked right up there. So you could get that as well. Oh, so nice in the shade. It's another hot day. You can see right there, the monorail is going to come out right there. They're probably loading it right now. But it is a little slow. walking in. There is the Epcot ball right behind me. We missed a night show there. Next time we will do a night show and do the lights and the fireworks. This time we went to Hollywood at night. Really nice in the shade, but kind of hot in the sun. We are going to walk towards Mexico, so clockwise. I did not end this vlog. We ended up walking around World Showcase. We stopped in France at Les Halles again because we love the baguettes with ham and Dijon and butter. So we got that to take in the car for lunch, and then we headed out. It was super hot. We got in all our steps because that was what we wanted to do that morning, take some pictures, do Moana's Journey of Water, and then I really wanted the picture of the monorail going through the water and the flowers and all that through Epcot. So I was really excited to get that picture. And that's it. So thank you so much for following along on this short really 3.5 day Disney World vlog. I had so much fun filming it, editing it, and then getting it up for you to see. I can't wait to do it again. And I definitely learned some new things. I learned what I missed, what I need to change, and definitely I need to do an outro next time. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, do all the things. It helps me grow this channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks so much.